Hello, my name is Debrasavage. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. I'm a financial clarity expert, and I'd like to ask you a question. Do you always find there's a level of uneasiness, an undercurrent of financial anxiety that seems to just linger in your life? It's there, and it often wakes you up in the middle of the night. You wake up wondering, will I be okay in the long run? Well, how great would it feel if you could forever transform your relationship with money from fear to empowerment? I know you're working hard. Matter of fact, you're probably working too hard. You never have enough time with family or friends, time to relax. You're nervous about having enough money for retirement funds, and April 15th tax day, well, that always has you on the edge of your seat. I get it. Understanding your finances, all area of your finances, is crucial to achieving long-term success. In my program, 90 Days to Financial Clarity, we'll cover the 4 pillars of financial security and success. Pillar number 1 is all about how are you spending your money? You're going to see where all of your hard-earned money is going. You'll uncover those nasty money leaks. You'll build a comprehensive spending plan so you're prepared for both the monthly and an annual view. This is not budgeting. People have been building budgets for centuries. You may even have one of your own, but they don't work. They are not even close to being comprehensive, and a budget does not allow you to see your entire financial picture. For pillar number 2, we're going to look at how much should you have in savings and what vehicle should you be using to hold your savings. In today's world, one size fits all does not work, especially when it comes to finances. Your life is very personal and it's unique. You'll determine a personal, proper, and a concise savings plan that fits your lifestyle. In pillar 3, we're going to talk about asset protection. In today's volatile society, you need a proper asset protection plan. You have to have the proper legal documents in place to protect your assets, your family, and the things you hold near and dear to your heart. Now in pillar 4, we're going to get into investing. Most clients want to just jump right into investing, but here's the problem. Do you know your investment style? Are you flying by the seat of your pants and just listening to CNBC for stock tips? Did you happen to invest at the top of the real estate market? Or are you listening to your friends talk about the latest stocks they just made loads of money on? By the way, did they ever tell you about those 5 last stocks they invested in and lost loads of money? Normally, friends just talk about the winners, not the losers. And hey, we all want to look great in front of family and friends, so I certainly understand. But investing in any of these styles is really just gambling. Proper investing can be so fun and so rewarding if you know what you're really doing. Not so much fun when you see all your profits wiped out in just one economic downturn. You'll also explore what genre of investing most appeals to you: stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, art, or building businesses. The 90 Days to Financial Clarity program offers you the opportunity to take a deep dive into all areas of your money world and gets all of that organized. You'll create a personalized and comprehensive plan to move you forward with 100% clarity and confidence surrounding your financial world. There's a famous quote that I love, and it goes like this: money will take you wherever you want to go, but it will not replace you as the driver. You don't have to go it alone. Wouldn't it be great to know, really know, that you have your finances under control? You're worth the investment of 90 days in order to have financial clarity and to have a plan that moves you forward with confidence, that you understand every area and have a long-term plan attached to that confidence. Don't leave your life to chance. Don't let another year go by. You're always just one decision away from a totally different life. Make that decision today to find financial clarity. I'm inviting you to a complimentary and 100% confidential 90 Days to Financial Clarity Roadmap call. It's free, no obligation, no hard sell, no shame or judgment, and remember, it's 100% confidential. Click on the link in the description below and book your call, your Financial Clarity Roadmap call. I look forward to meeting you.